Hey there. So you might be wondering why I took a picture of oranges in various states of burntness, if that's such a word. Well, what I do with some organic stuff like oranges, I'll put them on the wood stove. It kind of gives a nice fragrance, but also it creates something that you may use on a regular basis, but may not know how it's made. Basically, what I'm doing is burning off all the stuff that's not carbon so that what's left is carbon. And everything's made up of carbon. And that's what charcoal is. And that's more or less how charcoal is made. Burn off everything, leave the carbon. And I'll give you a little demonstration. Oh, by the way, I worked today. I went back to the point and had a good day of work. First day I've worked in 4 months. The longest stretch of non-working since I was a kid. So it's good to be back to work. I missed my work family. Great group of people. So here we go from a freshly cut orange, little mandarin orange. And then go to this. It's been on the stove for a little while. Then this one's been on the wood stove for a while longer. Then we get to this one, and then this crispy critter. Doesn't look like much, but it started as that, ended up as this. This one I put on the wood stove yesterday. So there's not much left to it, but is there? So I'm going to take the orange that's, just fresh orange. It's not going to light, right? There's nothing happening there. Okay. Just get a smoldering orange. All right. So then I'll go to the crispy critter here, and I'll see if that will light. And again, this is reduced to just carbon. Might take a little while. But look at that. That's the same orange. It started as the same thing yesterday. I burned off all the stuff other than the carbon. And it's a piece of charcoal. So I could use this to cook my next meal if I wanted to, if I had enough of them. As Lloyd Lindsay Young used to say, science!